In this computer networking course, we will explain several topics, from network protocols, to hardware devices, how a computer network works, and how computers can be linked to communicate and share data in a local or global network. This course is aimed for beginners, if you want to start learning about computer networking, but can also is useful for advanced users, to specifically explain some topics. Before I explain the topic, subscribe to the channel, so you don't miss the upcoming topics of the course. And I encourage you to like and comment on this video. What is computer networking? A computer network is a group of computers that use a set of common communication protocols, over digital interconnections, for the purpose of sharing resources located on the network, or provided by other network nodes. The nodes of a computer network may be classified as personal computers, servers, networking hardware, or general-purpose hosts. They are identified by host names and network addresses. The host names serve as memorable labels for the nodes that rarely change after initial assignment, and the network addresses serve for locating and identifying the nodes by communication protocols, such as the Internet Protocol, IP. Computer networks support many applications and services, such as access to the World Wide Web, digital video, digital audio, shared use of application, storage servers, printers, email or messaging applications. The use of a computer network is to extend interpersonal communications by electronic means with various technologies, such as email, instant messaging, online chat, voice and video telephone calls, and video conferencing. A network allows sharing of network and computing resources. Users may access and use resources provided by devices on the network, such as printing a document on a shared network printer or use of a shared storage device. A network allows sharing of files, data, and other types of information, giving authorized users the ability to access information stored on other computers on the network. I hope you learned something new today. Do you agree with my explanation about this topic? Leave a like, if this video helped you learn something. And write your opinion or question about this topic, in the comments. I will answer every question. Also don't forget to subscribe to the channel, to follow the course, and continue to learn about computer networking. Don't miss the upcoming topics of the course, and also other courses in the future, because the videos are published daily. If you missed the previous videos, check the playlist in the description, all the previous topics will be available. What other subject or topic would you like to learn on this computer networking course? Or what other courses would you like to learn in this channel? Your opinion is very important, and maybe your suggestion will be made. But now, I want to know more about you. That is following this course. What is your job? Or, what are you studying in school? And why are you interested in learning about computer networking? Leave your answer, opinion, suggestion, or question, in the comments. Now let's talk about computer networking in general. Computer engineering is a branch of engineering that integrates several fields of computer science and electronic engineering, required to develop computer hardware and software. Computer engineers usually have training in electronic or electrical engineering, software design, and hardware integration. Computer engineers are involved in many hardware and software aspects of computing, from the design of individual microcontrollers, microprocessors, personal computers, and supercomputers, to circuit design. This field of engineering not only focuses on how computer systems themselves work, but also how they integrate into the larger picture. Usual tasks involving computer engineers include writing software and firmware for embedded microcontrollers, designing chips, designing analog sensors, designing mixed-signal circuit boards, and designing operating systems. Computer engineers are also suited for robotics research, which relies heavily on using digital systems to control and monitoring electrical systems, like motors, communications, and sensors. In many institutions of higher learning, computer engineering students are allowed to choose areas of in-depth study in their junior and senior year, because the full knowledge used in the design and application of computers is beyond the scope of an undergraduate degree. Internet is the global system of interconnected computer networks that uses the Internet Protocol Suite, TCP/IP, to communicate between networks and devices. It is a network of networks that consists of private, public, academic, business, and government networks of local to global scope. These networks are linked by a broad array of electronic, wireless, and optical networking technologies. The Internet carries a vast range of information resources and services, such as hypertext documents and applications of the World Wide Web, electronic mail, phone communications, file sharing, and data streaming. The Internet has no single centralized governance, in either technological implementation or policies, for access and usage. Each constituent network sets its own policies. The overreaching definitions of the two principal namespaces in the Internet Protocol Address, IP address, and the Domain Name System, DNS, are directed by a maintainer organization, the Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers. The technical underpinning and standardization of the core protocols is an activity of the Internet Engineering Task Force, IETF, a non-profit organization of affiliated international participants, that anyone may associate with, by contributing technical expertise. Thanks for following this course. If you liked this topic, give a like to this video, and write your opinion on the comments. Or write what other topics or courses you would like to learn in this channel. Your opinion is very important, and maybe your suggestion will be made. And don't forget to subscribe, to follow the course, and continue to learn about computer networking. Don't miss the upcoming topics of the course, and also other courses in the future, because the videos are published daily. If you missed the previous videos, check the playlist in the description, all the previous topics will be available. And I will see you in the next video.